If you're like me, you hate the default checkbox design. I'm here today to show you how to design them yourself. And boy, I feel cool about it. We're going to start by creating a wrapper card, and inside our wrapper we're gonna nest the label element with a class of input checkbox container. Inside of our input container, we need an input of type checkbox and an SVG or any kind of image will do. Next thing we need to add is the text that we want to show next to our checkbox. In our style.sass, we're gonna design our card wrapper by setting width, height, background color, and shadow. For our input container, we'll select our checkbox and hide it by setting the display property to none. We're going to proceed with our SVG and set the width and height to 24 pixels, and as for the path inside, we're going to set the width and height to 100%. Now we can add some fill color to the path of our SVG. To center our wrapper, we're gonna get back to our body selector and use flex to center the content. I've made Flex Basics video and you can check it out by clicking the link in the description. We're gonna use the same flex properties for our wrapper as well to center the content inside of it too. Next, I set the position property for our span wrapper for the SVG to relative and push it from the top for 5 pixels. Now we're going to be doing the hacky part. We're going to select the checkbox and use the state checked to control the behavior of its siblings. By using the wavy character, we're gonna select the SVG path element under the span sibling, and we're gonna select the blue color from previously in the checked state. And for the unchecked state, I'm using some grayish color. Now we're gonna make it jump whenever it's checked. We're gonna do that by creating a keyframe animation, and we're gonna use transform scale to scale it up and back down to normal. And that animation we're gonna apply to our SVG element and not to the path. Next thing we want to make is a ripple kind of an effect, like what Google does with material design. For that to work, I've added a span inside of our SVG span wrapper. So this span is kind of like a sibling to our SVG. We're gonna style it quickly by adding background color and stuff like that. And at the end, we're gonna attach an animation called ripple that we're about to make, but use it whenever the checkbox input is checked. Then it's just a matter of tweaking the element's position to center it nicely and play around with speed. Use whatever feels right. If you made it till here, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter @Denkcode or just drop them in a comment. As always, the project files will be on GitHub, so make sure to check out the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, keep denking.